I salute everybody where they watch me. I just dey on my own. Now there I begin see different kind of papers they fly. Say Tonto Dikeh don dey plan go sue Kpokpogri. Now wow. I think say this on a love thing don't die. And with the year say Tonto don send DSS say make they go arrest Kpokpogri inside house. So say because say waiting in they arrest am because of say Kpokpogri want they share in nude pictures. But Oga sef don come out and say no DSS fit carry am. Say in dey inside house they jollificate. Say nobody even near am sef say in dey come carry am. My viewers abeg make una follow me watch.
I dey my house. Rumor dey fly say oh he has been picked by DSS. He has been picked by DSS. Person no dey committed to do your hatchet job. If you have any information on anybody, it's not to come to the social media around and talk nonsense. Come out with your evidence. Put it before the public. You know, I want the general public to disregard that rumors that is flying up and down that have been picked by DSS. That is why I came on live.
I don't talk am say since when Doris Ogala been waiting be that again. Come as I can't talk this matter about Tonto again. I don't know say this matter no go die. Because the like said the sleeping dog don't lie. You can't decide say you won't go wake trouble again by himself. Now what make you can't carry this one now? Come as I can't talk this one. And Kpokpogri now don't they talk say all these people they talk about him matter they gossip say if they get mind they may they mention in him talk him in full chest. Nobody say they go back they talk all this kind of thing they destroy him name say because they won't come spoil him. And what this man can't talk again we can't surprise me now in they claim say Tonto Dikeh don't go in house go carry in Lexus. The car wey him get say him bribe and insecurity abi na whoever him go bribe go there go carry and say she dey take this car as compensation for herself. And since the matter be this one him go report the matter to police. Say this one just be like breaking and entering. Say he no go fight with Tonto Dikeh, but him go report the matter to police. Say make police come arrest Tonto Dikeh. My viewers abeg for those of now we never watch where this guy for talk this one make na follow me watch.
Carry my vehicle, you go and park it in your compound, motor that you cannot buy till you die. Then you think you want to use DSS or you want to use the Nigeria Security Agency to do your hatchet job. This is Nigerian. That's where we've been governed by law. If you have anything against me, go and tender it anywhere. Let them invite me. I will go there. I have all the ability to defend it. It's not all those nonsense everybody is ranting around. When I see one idiot girl was ranting, Scott this, Scott that.
Hey, it be like say this drama and it go long, it go get pattern. Because the way where these two people they drag this their matter, no be today, this one go close. See all this whole love matter, it just they complicated. Because you no go even know who they talk through and who they lie. Say he don't decide say he no one date Tonto Dikeh again. Why be say she won't bring him down? Hey! See as this man just they wash this game. Because to me this one a pure wash. So I can't dey surprise say so the letter wey Tonto even consent out say to in law. So all that one self na lie. But you self you dey in a married area. I don't know what I call a relationship. You no see any way to blackmail woman. Na her nude picture. In which two of na agree to date to. You carry proposal go say you won't go man. I beg why be say now you call the blackmailer. But me, I don't know be Tonto they talk through, I've been a lie. But this guy now don't talk and say, even if DSS go carry, at least they go carry law, come meet him. Say, okay, Oga, now like this, I do before they go arrest him. Say, in there inside a mansion, anything where Tonto Dikeh they bring come, in there ready to face him. Say, you know, some people they complain, say, a man no suppose they talk, but him now man waste a bit talk. And if Tonto bring one, he go give her to her times 10 times fire. Saying they very, very ready to give this girl, but when they think I'm uncle. See all this one way they do they necessary. You be man now. Why be say when they prolong everything, just they make this drama they long. Tonto say they do her own say she be controversial person. Upon say you be controversial person, you never see anything do for this matter. You never see settle now. But anyway, as this fight they go, me I dey ready. I don't open my ear. As they go, bass now. So I go they carry and say, make her they can't give her now. So my viewers, I go end down here for today. Make her stay tuned for our next story. This story will carry comment now really sad one. And here say one of our Nigerian tech person just died after he go with one big contract from the US government. And the amount we they talk about now 69 billion naira. No be small money. And we gotta say this David Bodi say he just build one app or something for the government. Say this thing go they detect threat and any bad thing won't happen. We don't know how manage. Only for this man to just sleep. Say he don't die from there. Now there come the reason I say something fishy there inside this matter. Because I know see where person go just win contract. All of a sudden you go come die. Now there come the reason say maybe this man go tell him family member he no say human being wicked. He no say person when they even share and gist with they no good. He go tell the person okay now like this the thing be I don't win this kind amount of money. Person now when no dey happy for them, and the person can go do your own juju kill am. Or maybe if you even be the US government, maybe they don't say this thing when build, make it no go turn out to be threat to other people. But now what they can't decide say I made a fashion this guy, but this one no good now. Make person no go there they celebrating success in there too, because this one now you don't make am. Now plus the money plus the whole thing, you know go even fund their life to enjoy am. I bet which kind evil life be this? When be say your own neighbor, your own family, go they plan bad for. I bet so come as I can't talk this one now, him brother now they give us the gist too. Say even him brother teach him this whole tech thing. But say he can't surprise, say him just die just that. My dear me self I can't the wonder say, oh na sure say this him brother self no get hand for this kind of matter. Maybe he go the reason say out of jealousy him no collect the contract. They can't go carry the thing give person because human being now you don't know who to trust. You don't know the mind of person. You feel the reason say now your brother, blood brother they keep person, blood brother they do person bad. So me I come the reason I say this matter they supposed to investigate and well. Maybe they go check this man body say something they wrong even if not spiritually they go maybe they go check him because something fishy there for this matter. I know see where person will get such huge amount of money. You never even stay to enjoy that money. They will come decide saying at that time you won't die. But the brother self they claim saying what he kill am gone na heart attack. Make we come assume say na heart attack. I beg people where they watch me make una they check on her health. Some people say if you be just kind small mistake maybe out of over jubilation, be na wetin make am in body too sweet na wetin come kill am. But at least if they do your medical checkup, you go know say okay fine you dey good than this one. But anyway, this one me I no reason I even go medical because I dey very certain say no be medical anything. Now juju I be somebody. Now they run this man matter for them. The man no one made this guy progress. But anyway, I go talk say rest in peace to this man. My viewers, I go end them for here today. If I get something to talk about them, make a write them inside the comment section. Make a stay tuned for our next story.